watch how I do this.
And that's a perfect wall dismount.
Ah, shucks, it was nothing. This kind of expertise comes with hard work and training. You gotta learn how to tie every knot and unhook every carabiner. Come on.
Maybe we should, stay hooked up.
Hey, guys.
Blaze, you're back?
Practice your knots. We'll just be a sec.
Hey, team.
Hey, Blaze. Shouldn't you be in Japan? I thought you had a karate tournament.
I was on my way to the airport. I found this.
What is it?
That looks like Scrozzle's work.
Yeah. I think it's one of Robo-Roxy's memory drives.
Really?
When Giant Roxy blew up, pieces of her robot scattered everywhere. The Battle Force cleanup crew must have missed this.
I thought getting it to you guys was more important than some karate competition.
You're absolutely right. Thanks for bringing it back, Blaze.
Always happy to help my friends at Good Battle Force.
The circuit boards are still intact. This might have some of Roxy's memories stored on it.
So it could be full of valuable data.
Wow! I got it, sis!
No, I got it!
Got it.
Hey, lollygaggers! Why are you on the floor? How do you expect to learn if you just lay around?
Careful with that. Thanks.
What if the cleanup crews missed any other pieces?
We'd better check it out. I'll take the memory drive back to the lab.
Laters.
I think I got something. This is the first memory fragment I found.
So we're about to see what Roxy saw? Cool.
It's time to destroy humanity and take over the morphing grids. Scrozzle, where is my mighty new Gigadrone?
I'm still working on it, but I swear it'll be the most destructive Gigadrone ever!
Excellent!
Oh no! It looks like Evox is preparing for a major battle.
And he'll have his own Gigadrone.
A Robotron has been spotted in Sector Echo 7-5.
We're on it, Commander. I'll tell Robbie and Zoe to meet me. You and Steel, keep working on Roxy's drive. We need to know as much as possible.
Got it.
Move it, boltheads! We gotta get that Morphex to Master Evox quick smart! Rangers!
Another Railtron? I guess we arrived just in time. Where's Devon?
He'll still be on his way.
You're gonna wish you hadn't jumped on my train! Choo-choo! It's gonna be a rough ride! All aboard!
Come on!
Take this! Choo-choo! I tried to warn you, but you just wouldn't listen. And now you'll regret it!
Power Rangers.
Power Rangers!
It's morphin' time.
For justice we fight, with peace, warmth, and light. Together we rise! Go, Power Rangers! Go, Power Rangers!
Peace Morphers.
Take this! Choo-choo! I tried to warn you, but you just wouldn't listen. And now you'll regret it!
Blaze?
Watch your backs.
Great! More teenagers! No train rides for you!
My arm!
Sorry I'm late. Somebody got lost.
My bad. I forgot to check a map.
Thanks for stepping in. You and Cruz better take cover.
Guys! I'm gonna chew you up!
This is the end of the line for you. It's morphin' time!
Activate beast power!
Unleash the beast! Transport Beast X Blaster! Beast Blast!
Move! This subway's gonna put you 6 feet under!
I've got an idea. Just follow me.
Come on.
You can run, but you cannot hide! Wait! Where's the yellow one?
Oh, she's around.
Around? Where?
Beast X Blast!
Zoe!
I got you.
Thanks, Robbie. Nice catch.
Good job, Zoe. That worked great.
Yeah.
Ah, gee, I'm so glad everyone's okay.
Yeah, well, no thanks to you. Can't believe you made Devon late to the fight.
Oh, I didn't mean to.
Those kind of mistakes are costly. Come on.
It's a little harsh, don't you think?
Can I have a minute? This is a critical moment in the fight against Evox. And as their leader, you shouldn't tolerate mistakes.
But it all worked out.
Look, you're a great Red Ranger.
Oh, well, thanks, Blaze.
It's true. You might even command all of good Battle Force one day. But if there's one thing that I learned when training to be the Red Ranger, it's that a real leader needs to be tough. Especially now. Evox is playing for keeps.
Yeah, makes sense. Listen up, team. Roxy's memory showed us that Evox is preparing to attack. We gotta step up our game. And I'm sorry, Cruz, but I'm not gonna tolerate mistakes anymore. Got it?
Okay, Devon. I'm really sorry.
Hey, Blaze, how's your arm?
Nah, just a scratch. I'll slap a bandage on and be back at training.
Cool. Why don't we work out together, back at the base?
The base? Cool, let's do it.
Okay, keep up the pace. Relentless, Devon. No fear. Again. On. You could do better than that. You have no idea how hard I used to train as a cadet. Your whole team has had it easy.
Yeah. I guess we could be training harder.
That's it. Again.
Great training session. That was intense.
Anytime.
Hey, team.
Ah, just in time.
I asked Blaze to take a look at our plan. Thanks.
Go ahead, Nate.
I've completed my analysis. Unfortunately, Roxy's drive didn't give us any additional intel, apart from learning that Evox is building a powerful new Gigadrone. So, I think this plan is the best way to counter Evox's attack. We'll need a lot of more facts, but we'll be well defended.
Looks good.
Thanks.
I don't know. It just seems so complex. I have a better idea. What if we trap Evox's Gigadrone in a Zord hangar? Once he tries to escape, we use the mega transporters to teleport him straight into a secure prison cell on the base.
Trap him in the base. Yeah, that might work.
Evox's Gigadrone in one of our hangars. We'd have to get our Megazords in there too.
That could be done. Trust me. Your special ops hangar is empty, right?
I'm not sure. Fighting a Gigadrone up close in a hangar sounds quite dangerous. Especially for us B-Spots.
Very dangerous, actually.
And it's risky to have Evox inside our base, isn't it?
I don't think you should be commenting on my plan. You can't even find your way to a fight.
That's enough.
I think Blaze's plan is solid.
Well, you're the leader, Devon. It's your call.
Evox is coming. It's crunch time. We gotta be bold. Think outside of the box. I say we do it.
Great call.
Please excuse me.
Blaze, you can't treat Cruz like that. It's mean.
Yeah. Take it down a notch? Or two?
Okay, I'm sorry I hurt his feelings. But I have one goal in mind. Destroying Evox and saving the city.
Hey, we all have the same goal.
Guys, we're wasting precious time. Let's get on with Blaze's plan. We need that prison cell built before Evox attacks. Right, Commander?
It is bold. Let's hope it works. Get busy, everyone.
Railtron's gone off the grid, has he? Let's see what happened. Oh! Railtron was supposed to distract them till 2:30. I thought trains were supposed to run on time.
Forget the Robotron, fool. My real plan is working. What is the status of my Gigadrone?
Your Omegadrone is finally complete.
Excellent. Then I won't have to keep my secrets for much longer.
What secrets?
Oh, Scrozzle, I have a very dark past.
And done. The force field cell is ready to hold Evox.
Amazing.
I'll be right back.
Sure.
Wow. I can't believe Evox is gonna be standing right here.
Evox!
Uh-oh.
Ben! There's a janitor! He'll get us out!
There's only one solution, Ben.
Transport!
What happened? We, checked it out.
It's very secure. See y'all later.
Well, at least the force field works.
This is it, guys. Evox's Gigadrone has been detected.
Let's get to the Zords.
Activate beast power!
Ready, team?
We've got this.
In position.
All right, brother, let's do this. Striker Megazord, combine!
Racer Zord, battle mode!
is that?
You're in my crosshairs now, Rangers. Time to meet your destiny. This will be your doom, Rangers.
We gotta move fast! Roger! Cruz, hangar doors are opening now.
Get ready. The Gigadrone's almost in position.
Your efforts are futile. I'm sending your Zords to the junkyard, along with you.
Now!
Crane crash!
Rangers, Evox is in the hangar. Don't let him escape.
No! A trap!
Let's secure the Gigadrone.
We'll follow your lead. We're too close to attack.
We have to.
Well, if you say so.
I'll tear this place down!
He's trying to destroy the hangar!
What do we do?
We just gotta hold on.
But it's not safe for us.
It's too dangerous! Enough of this! It's time to crush you all!
Oh no!
You can't beat my Gigadrone!
My systems are starting to fail.
Beast X King Zord, come and help right now!
Hurry, Devon!
We're trying!
Come on! I'm overheating, taking the damage.
Cruz, stay with me, buddy.
Malfunction.
Guys, Cruz is in bad shape. I've got to bring in the Cheetah Beast Blaster and finish things now.
No, Devon! My sensor showed the Gigadrone is heating up. It's about to blow.
Guys, cover us.
Got it. Keep your eyes peeled, everyone.
Here you go, buddy. Are you okay?
My systems took heavy damage.
This is my fault. You tried to warn me that fighting up close in the hangar was too dangerous, but I was too busy listening to Blaze about how to lead the team.
You did your best, Devon.
I'm so sorry.
We gotta keep sharp. Evox is still somewhere in this mess.
You're gonna be okay, Cruz. I promise. I'll make sure of it. Over there! Weapons up!
You'll pay for destroying my Omegatron!
Open fire! Transport them now!
Wait, what is this?
I think we got him!
It worked! I can't believe it! We did it!
I sure did.
Amazing. Evox is this close to us, but we can't do a thing.
Yep, everything worked perfectly.
Of course it worked. It was my plan.
Congratulations. Not only did you stop Evox's assault, but you've captured the biggest threat to the city, the world, and more importantly, the Morphin Grid.
Yeah, nice job, you guys. You all did great. Except for Tin Can Man over here who can't stop crying about his battle wounds.
Excuse me? I only got wounded because of your plan.
Hello, you're a robot. Nate could just bend you back into shape.
Whoa. You know what needs to get bent back into shape? Your attitude. Seriously, the way you've been treating people, especially Cruz, it's not cool. Cruz is more than just a B-spot. He's my friend and a part of our team.
Thanks, Devon.
I want to apologize to all of you. I was convinced that Blaze was right. That being tough on our team would get better results. But that's wrong. We're strong because of our friendship. And our friendship is exactly why I should have stood up for you, Cruz.
It's okay. I forgive you.
Thanks, buddy. You're the best.
Oh, now that is sweet. And I guess I should apologize for coming up with the plan that will finally defeat your worst enemy.
Huh?
Konnichiwa. Hey, you guys, check it out. I won my karate match.
Blaze?
Huh? Whoa.
Told you it was just a scratch.
Whoa! You got played.
No wonder Blaze was acting like such a jerk. It wasn't the real Blaze.
Wait, if all of this was his plan, then Evox must have wanted to be captured.
But why?